best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you meet them.
Atención.
Oh, what a goal! A finish of true class! Unbelievable. And it's another really good show of Zaniolo. Right, Dybala. Wonderful quick feeds. And it's Matic.
Ronaldo.
And the shots! Goal! Roma! Into the lead once more.
Suena saya ya.
Of welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. And here we have Roma against Parma. I'm Peter Drury, and I'm joined in the commentary box by the familiar figure of Jim Begley. Hello Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a real thrill to be here.
Come on.
Things on the way. Smalling. Dybala. He's got away. Dybala. Zaniolo. Out to see who wants it. He's had a goal. He's delivered all right. Some of the best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it. An exhibition in how to finish with a minimum of plus.
Good job, nice.
Roma ahead, 1 goal to the good.
Balik.
Adrian Benabe, facing up to last season's champions. He's a tough ask of anyone, let alone a newly promoted side. I think they've just got to remain composed. After all, this is what it's all about. That's why they work. Shakes the shoots! The referee's awarded a free kick. Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score. Obviously, he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he? Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning.
Atención.
What a goal! A finish of true class! Unbelievable. And it's another really good show of character. I love the spirit and togetherness they muster. Never know when they're beaten. Dispatched expertly, nicely done. Certainly made things interesting. I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal. Just got caught up. It's starting to fall here. It has been looking that way for a little while. Roma needs to hold on for a win last time round. Again now. Zaniolo. Right, Dybala.
Balik.
Wonderful quick feeds.
Oke.
And it's
Ronaldo
Matic.
siap, Ronaldo.
And the shot! Goal! Roma! Into the lead once more.
Tuh. Sesuai dengan instruksi saya ya.
He was urged to shoot. And he duly delivered. I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronized with the right pass, that's what happens.
Tangan itu. Zaniolo masih. Dybala Zaniolo, Totti, Henry, Ronaldo.
Roma themselves into the lead.
Jangan sampai lengah. Panas.
Now it's Pandev.
Jangan mundur Matic.
Zaniolo.
Zaniolo. Jangan terlalu banyak goceng Zaniolo.
Dybala.
Masih Dybala lagi. Tunggu Dybala.
And high
Bagus.
towards the flank. Hendricks. Cristiano Ronaldo! That's a half-decent try. Well, even for him, that may have been a touch ambitious. Oh, he really wanted that. But that's the motivation and enthusiasm he shows and the quality he produces. Tries a through ball. Oh, sweet feet from him there. Out for a goal kick. Smalling.
Zaniolo.
Zaniolo. Dybala. That's really nice. Now, what next?
Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, the ball's come loose. Aimed it towards the centre. Dybala. Keeper's ball. Bit of an appeal, but nothing doing. Roberto. Run down the left. What do they make of it? And it's Pandev.
Bagus.
Pandev really got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
Zaniolo. Cristiano.
Totti. Hendricks.
Cristiano.
Looks
Siap
to slip it
Cristiano.
through. Dybala.
Masih Zaniolo. Totti.
Totti. Matic. Zaniolo. Now it's Dybala.
Totti. Cristiano.
Whistle goes for half-time. So a really good half of football. 3 goals and just one separating them. Well, it remains very delicately poised, and based on the promise we've seen through the first 45 minutes, I wouldn't be surprised if this takes another twist or two. It certainly would be in keeping. Roma into the half-time break with a narrow advantage. It is 2-1. The game has already resumed here. Roberto.
Jangan kasih ruang.
Steered out wide.
Balik.
And then shoots!
Suárez Suárez. Awas. Bagus Matic. Kasih depan. Zaniolo, cari di bala. Jangan lupa dulu. Zaniolo siap.
Pandev.
Belum aman ini.
Zaniolo. He's making a foray down the right. Hendricks. Vasquez. And the through ball is intercepted.
Zaniolo.
Passes it through. Cuts it out. And it's Totti. Talk about singling someone out. Yeah, better communication and lots of contact seems to be the route to quieting him down now. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities. Clearance and very necessary. Pellegrini, out to the flank. Ronaldo to get on the end of this. Totti spreads it towards the left. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Lovely bit of skill. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! He's got away with one there. So nearly came off for him. Well, Peter, I think it's fairly obvious. He's one of the biggest influences out there. There's some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Matic picks it up from the goal kick. Now the pass. Out towards the flank. He's flying in. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Adrian Benabe. Just a quarter of an hour to play.
Cristiano.
Adrian Benabe. Played out to the right. Adrian Benabe. Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Cristiano lihat kasih, kena.
Pellegrini has it out wide and in space. Some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it.
Cristiano.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo! Should have put that one away. Oh, and a real chance to pile on the pressure, and he'll be desperate to get another. Oh, he really wanted that. Cristiano Ronaldo very nearly making something happen there. You can't keep a good man down. Parma, their final change. Parma opting to make a double change here.
Bala itu Pellegrini Ronaldo. Bagus ya. Bala Pelatih. Bang.
Running down the front now.
5 minutes.
Looks like a good ball through. Ronaldo in a wide position, so what next?
Cristiano.
The shot's on! A great save, real class. That was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage. steer it in. And that's that. Roma winners by the odd goal. Really could have gone either way, but a win is a win. You look back on the game then, Jim.
Roma simply imposed their strength from start to